So today we will unbox and review the all new wireless keyboard from the Dell, and I will show you what's inside the box and how it looks and how it operates. And the model number of this is KM117, and it is very well known model number, and I think it is the highest selling wireless keyboard and mouse. So let's just show you what's inside the box. These are some external price etc details on the box. Well, I purchased it at 1350 rupees. So this is the black color wireless keyboard and mouse. Let me show you the mouse. In fact, it is a Z black color, and it is looking very good with Dell Beijing, 2 keys and 1 scroller. And below is a battery compartment and on-off switch, and there you need to enter your battery cell. And this is the keyboard. As you can see, it is not much deeper and keys are very good. Keyboard is looking very stylish, and it has a separate numerical compartment, and it is a battery notification and LG logo and separate numerical keys. The keys are not much deeper, so it is very fast for typing, and it is much better than wired keyboard. And overall look of this keyboard is very good. So it is all-rounder keyboard in terms of look and performance. These are some basic details at the back side. And the best part is it comes with many rubber grips. So if you are typing roughly, then also the keyboard will not move. And it also comes with these 2 upside stands. And here you can insert your battery in this battery compartment. So it comes with 3 batteries, 1 for mouse and 2 for keyboard, and this is the nano USB receiver. I think this one is for mouse, and these 2 small batteries are for this keyboard. So let's just insert in the compartment. Close the lid, and there you go. Keyboard is ready to use. Same way you can repeat the process with the mouse. This plastic is to remove your battery, have to make sure you match this plus and minus sign, and then you enter the battery. So that's it. You close the lid and switch on the light. Yeah, if you switch on the switch, then this kind of red light will blink. And then you need to insert your USB receiver to your laptop or PC, and there you go, you can use this, you can start using this. So as I am feeling, typing is very good in this stylish keyboard. And the plus point is style, performance, and the distance. You can use this by 10 meters wirelessly, so it is a very good. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video then please press like.